Hello Highlanders! Welcome to our instructional video on prerequisites. The purpose of this instructional tutorial is to provide an overview of prerequisites. What are prerequisites, where you can locate this information, and why it's important to review prerequisites for each class prior to your registration date and time. This video will show you step-by-step how to locate all important information. What are prerequisites? A prerequisite is a class or set of classes that are required and must be completed prior to enrollment in the class you wish to take. For example, I would like to take Math 007B, but I must first complete the prerequisite, which is Math 007A or Math 009A or Math 09HA with a C- or higher. How many prerequisites are required for classes? This varies from class to class. When there are several prerequisites, you are likely to see commas or semicolons next to all the prerequisites. For example, I would like to enroll in Chem 001C, but the prerequisites are concurrent enrollment in Chem 01LC, semicolon, Chem 001B with a grade of C- or better, or Chem 01HB with a grade of C- or better, semicolon, Chem 01LB with a grade of C- or better, or Chem 1HLB with a grade of C- or better. You may also see other key terms such as concurrent enrollment or co-requisites. Concurrent enrollment refers to classes which you are required to take simultaneously in order to successfully enroll in your desired class. For example, in the future, I can consider taking Biochemistry 100 in the same quarter with Chemistry 008C, 08LC. If I have not already completed the entire OChem series, concurrent enrollment in Chem 008C, 08LC is required in order to successfully enroll in BCH 100 within the same quarter. Co-requisites refer to a course or set of courses which must be taken with the course you wish to take. For example, I would like to take the Chemistry 001C lecture, and it requires enrollment in the co-requisite Chemistry 01LC, the lab. What should I do if I do not meet the prerequisites yet? The prerequisites are in place to help you excel in the course content. When necessary prerequisites are completed, you have the necessary knowledge, skills, and information to successfully complete your desired class. If you do not meet the prerequisites, it is best to select alternate classes, complete the prerequisites, and take the course in the near future. Where do I locate the prerequisites for each class? Each student is responsible for checking all prerequisites in advance of their registration date and time to avoid registration error messages. The best resources to utilize include the schedule of classes and UCR catalog. Let's look up the prerequisites for Math 007A. You can locate the schedule of classes through the Registrar's Office website or log on to your RWeb account and select the Student Profile option. When using your Student Profile homepage, you will view the left side menu and select Browse the Schedule of Classes. Select your desired term. Type in the correct acronym for your class, Math 007A. Click on the class title. You will see a pop-up window with different options. Click on Course Description. You'll be able to view the different details for the class, total units, required linked documents such as required lectures, discussions, labs, and all prerequisites are listed here as well. For the UCR catalog, begin by going to the UCR Registrar's Office at registrar.ucr.edu. Click on the Registering tab and then select the catalog. The catalog is your go-to resource for UCR policies, information regarding your major, course descriptions, etc. Always use the most recent catalog on this page when looking up course descriptions and prerequisites. Click on the Get Catalog box. Scroll down to the Table of Contents on page 3. Click on the Mathematics title and you will see the appropriate section. Scroll down to Course Descriptions and locate Math 007A on page 447. You will be able to view the different details for the class, total units, required link components such as required lectures, discussions, labs, and all prerequisites are listed here as well. Your academic advisor can also provide additional clarification and guidance with the necessary prerequisites. Thank you for watching.